Here is how to reset your password in Fantasy Premier League. So, first, you need to go to its official website, which is fantasy.premierleague.com. Click on login, or you can also directly go to the login portal by entering account.premierleague.com. If you're using any mobile device or any other device beside your PC or laptop, you can go ahead, access the application as well. Once you're in the login portal, you need to go ahead, enter the specific email address that is associated with your FPL account, and then after click on forgot password option, enter your email address that is associated with your FPL account, and then click on submit. If you have an active account with a valid email address, you'll receive an email with a recovery code with that specific email address that is associated with your account. So, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and open your Gmail application. Then go ahead and access the email that is sent by the FPL. Copy the code that has been sent to you, come back and paste the recovery code right here, and then enter the new password that you want to associate with your FPL account. Then after click on submit from the bottom and then click on continue. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.